Hello to my fierce art family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Elizabeth, and today an exciting video. As you see that I have here a Gallo beautiful art materials. I'm super excited. They come straight from Assisi in Italy. And without further ado, let's dive in. This is actually something that I'm super excited about, but I feel like I wanted to give it justice, like a very nice unboxing, and I just haven't found the time to do so. So here's the box straight from Italy, and I did a sneak peek on this one, but I haven't really opened everything yet. All right, so this is how it looks. So beautiful. So we have the A Gallo business card right here. And then that's Selina's signature. Thank you so much. So beautiful. Even a watercolor paper for this one. Here is another one. It says A Gallo handmade in Italy. And this is just giving a little bit more information about the brand. And she was really nice to go ahead and add this item right here. And this is an echo bag. So awesome. So this echo bag is quite big, so it will be perfect. It can fit an A3 size of paper, if I'm not mistaken. And then you can go painting plein air and use this too. Oh yeah, we have a little bit of information here. 𝘎𝑐olors.com and at 𝘎colors for Instagram. And here I also have some sample paper. I'm not certain how many pieces there is. I think about 2 pieces. Beautiful paper. And here is a paper sample. I am super excited to try this one. It is also being sold on the website of A Gallo. I believe I have about 2-3 pieces over here of this beautiful cotton watercolor paper, but yeah, I will reserve that for swatching or an art video instead. And here it's a Tintoretto number 8 travel brush, and yeah, this is what I did because I just exchanged it with some other brush, if I'm not mistaken. And then I have 2 palettes over here. So this is the first one that I bought. I really thought about which one I am going to get because I even compared the colors and the prices. But actually, when I was buying it, if I remember it correctly, things got sold out so fast. So I have some wish list, and then and then I acted a little bit faster. So here, okay. Oh, this is the Vendemmia palette. This is a small one. Okay. I'm always very careful with unboxing. Alright, this sticker is too strong. And this is how it looks. Super beautiful box, actually. Handmade in Italy. And look at that. Look at that. So exciting. Carefully boxed in there. Okay. I didn't want to waste it, so I will try to just slide this. Oh, I was able to do so. That's awesome. All right. Aha, of course. All right. So this is how it looks. The beautiful Vendemmia. on the smallest tin. All right, so amazing. And lots of reflection there. Honey watercolors, it says. A Gallo handmade in Italy. Oh, look at that, so cute. There's a little swatch card. Amazing and beautiful 300 grams watercolor paper, if I'm not mistaken. But there was a warning in there. Okay. Choking hazard, it says. And those are the colors. So I will reserve these ones for doing the swatch video instead. So the next one and the last one that I will be unboxing is a set with a cherry wood case over here with 3 other Tintoretto watercolor travel brushes. And then this one that I have chosen is the Signature 2. So let's unwrap it. Okay. So here we go. Ta-da! Oh, wow! So this one has a photo of the, I believe that's the Signature 1 and 2 together on the bigger metal case. All right, and welcome to the Signature Collection. Our handcrafted honey watercolors are made from the highest quality pigments, gum arabic from the acacia tree, local honey from Umbria, and rosemary essential oil. The Signature Collection contains decisive and vibrant single pigments and unique secondary color blends. This series of colors is at once clean and bright, granulating and deep. Thank you for supporting your family artisan workshop, Buena Pintura, A Gallo. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, granulating. I love granulating watercolors. That's amazing. All right. So as usual, carefully wrapped here. You really feel the luxury, the thought, the heart that was given on each and every packaging. So this is how it looks, a different wrapping paper. Beautiful. Okay, it's gonna slide this here. And here it is. Oh, so awesome. So the logo is on this side instead. All right, let me just check out the bottom. Of course, we have this one. So if you wanted to travel, you can just easily hold your palette like so, like a ring. And then this is how it looks inside. Another swatch card, beautiful. And the warning. And our watercolors inside. Oh my gosh. Hi, I have the number 6 here. Okay, let's see. This is so beautiful. Oh, I wanted to unwrap this one because I thought that I have only that one because I have just 3 brushes on the cherry wood box already. So let's see this one. Tintoretto 1337 Sintético. Oh, okay. It is another number 6. But I think I already have one on my cherry wood. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it here for now, but I will show you how this one looks like. So these are the swatches of how the colors really look like. So we really have a good idea of how it will be when we do the watercolor painting with it. So let's go ahead and unpack the brush. It's super exciting because I love brushes. I'm a brush hoarder too. The next video will be my watercolor brush collection. Alright, so okay, that's another palette. I forgot which one was that. Okay, and then of course we have this one. Some business card again. And then it's the number 8 instead of the number 6. Okay. All right. And this is the beautiful brush. I really love mop brushes. I just really feel like I am being drawn back in times where this is the only watercolor brushes that are being used. Super beautiful. Let's compare it with the number 6. Okay, so obviously the 6th one is a little shorter, and this one has more bristles in here. All right, and last but definitely not the least, I'm super excited with this one. I love beautiful packaging, and yeah, I just really love brushes like I mentioned. This one I already did a sneak peek, but usually on dark light, so now I finally have a little bit of a better natural light, so let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just see something right here. So it says, please take care to open your artisan palette no more than 80 degrees. Ah, okay. All right. I don't think it's more than 80 degrees. Beautiful, beautiful pouch also. Really feels like it's handmade, and a beautiful drawstring to protect the beautiful. Look at that. It's so stunning. Oh, wow, the craftsmanship on this one. Beautiful engraving of the logo. Tintoretto made in Italy over there, especially for A Gallo. So this one has 2 slots, top and the bottom. So the top one goes like this, wherein you can put about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 watercolors. So I can just grab the 9 colors that I need when I travel from these 2 sets that I have, and then put it there. And then we have a beautiful mixing space over here. That's amazing. Oh, I think that this one, this slot right here, you can even put the brush, if I'm not mistaken, like so. Oh, it falls, but oh, yeah, I just didn't put it correctly. All right, just put it a little bit like like that, so that works. Okay, amazing. And then the bottom part would be ta-da, and it reveals 3 more of my brushes. So let me unwrap the 2, and then we can compare the sizes. So here they all are, all 4 of them, number 2, 4, 6, and 8. The only thing I'm missing is the number 20, which is always on my cart, and I cannot wait to go ahead and grab very soon. I am just waiting for some new products from A Gallo. They mentioned that they will be having the tubes in the near future, so I cannot wait, and I'm going to add the number 20 mop brush when that is released. So there you go. And I cannot wait to go ahead and share with you my artworks using all of this beautiful A Gallo art materials. This will not be the last for sure. And I will do a lot more hauls, and of course we'll do paintings and do the swatches for the two palettes over here. But wait, there's more. I almost forgot that I still have one more item in here because this is at the very bottom of the box. So let's unwrap it quickly. All right. And this is the A Gallo Empty Watercolor palette that holds 24 colors inside. So it's just a case like so. And I believe I got this for free. That's why the metal part that holds the pens is not here, and that it does not have the color chart. But nonetheless, such a very thoughtful touch, especially after buying a lot of stuff from A Gallo. So there, because I bought this one in preparation for having more watercolors from them, and I am missing two more pans. As you see, I have almost have all of it because I have the mini and then the 12 pans, 24. There's one for 36, and there's also the biggest one, the 48 empty pan. Or there are also watercolor sets from A Gallo that has 48 colors that is being sold on the website. So you can check it out on the website if you wish to see what I mean. So that's about it. All right. So those are all of the items from my first haul from A Gallo. There you have it, my fierce art family. These are the beautiful art materials that I got from my first ever haul from A Gallo. Thank you so much from the A Gallo team, and to Alina for the very thoughtful packaging, the freebies, the gifts. Everything is just like opening a present on a very special day, like Christmas or birthday, to get the chance to go ahead and have these beautiful items and unbox them. And yeah, I cannot wait to use all of them on my travels. I love to travel. I love doing plein air urban sketching, and yeah, so many different styles of watercolor. I really do not have, or I do not stick to one niche because I wanted to venture on all forms of art. And yeah, I'm just really happy to have all of these, and I cannot wait to go ahead and have more of the products of A Gallo and grow my collection, and the Tintoretto brushes as well. If you like this video, please show your love and support for my channel by leaving a comment, and I cannot wait to meet you and talk to you on the comment section down below, and give this video a like also if you do like it. And we can also follow each other and see each other's art on Instagram. I have two. That will be at, also on other social media I have the same handles. So thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Remember to stay fierce and stay creative.